Hey guys, it's me, Brandy, and I'm excited because I have my collection from March from Copacetic Cosmetics, and I'm going to swatch it for you. I've done a couple of looks, or a look over on Instagram already, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch this little collection for you. There is 5 shades. And I also have this to swatch for you. And this is the High Roller Quad. So I am excited about this. So Copacetic, I don't know if you know, they do a $2 Tuesday on the first Tuesday of every month for the most part. Every once in a while they skip it for the month, but it's not very often. So you usually get 5 shadows with them, and you get these 5 shadows, and then it's only $10. The good thing is that the $2 Tuesday rolls over every month, so you get to try some really great shadows for a really good price. So I'm going to show you these shadows. And I have one that I can't do a whole lot of justice to because the glitter fell out of the pan. Pressed glitter is just hard. So I am going to show this to you, but I am not... I'll even swatch it. But I don't expect that I'm going to get a lot of use out of that one. And that's okay. I am fine with it. It happens. So... anyways, I'm going to go ahead and swatch on my arm. The flakies that I have, I am going to use a glitter glue because that is how I like to use them to do the swatch, so you can see the true opacity of it. So let's go ahead and get started. So first I have Dandelion. This is really beautiful yellow. And this is what the finger swatch looks like. So I'll do it right here. See if I can put a little bit more. And then next I'm going to swatch the other matte, and this is called Daffodil. Daffodil. Looks like a brighter yellow. I guess I should show you. That's what it looks like on my finger. Alrighty. And then next I will do the shimmer. And this is Daisy. And this is absolutely beautiful on the inner corner. It's so pretty on the inner corner. Look at that. And my finger after the swatch is gorgeous. Alright, so next I'm going to put down some glitter glue. Just a little bit. And I'm going to put it down on a good portion of my arm. Now the reason why... oh shit, that's not glitter glue. Oh, that sucks. That's not glitter glue, that's primer. Okay, let me wipe the primer off. Let me wipe this primer off of my hands. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, I don't want the primer. It's a waste of primer. I just wasted so much of that primer. And that sucks that I wasted it. What did I do with my glitter glue? Oh, here it is. So I like using either Nyx Glitter Glue. This is BH Cosmetics. Either way, I like them both. So I'm going to use quite a bit because I have quite a few between glitter and other shades. I have quite a few. So I'm going to put that right here. Let's see, I've got like, I'm gonna say 3 or 4 shades to swatch that are flaky, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, so let's go ahead and get, this one is called Chrysanthemum, and if you can see, it has like a peach shift. Look how pretty that is. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it and then tap it. There's other ways to use these flakies. You could also grind them up into teeny tiny little pieces, and they make a really pretty, like, just wash of shimmer across the eye. So there's that too. All right, now I'm not gonna pick this up completely, but this is a really beautiful glitter. It's called Marigold. And again, I'm not gonna pick up a ton. Just gonna show you what the color is. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I don't have very much of it left. But it is adorable. It's got some green and yellow glitters. Very pretty. And then I have the high roller quad. Have you? I have the high roller quad, so I have Poker Face is the silver. And this is a flaky. It's like a really, really silvery flaky. It all went on my arm. Okay, so there's that. And then next we have All In, which is this white one. And that is a micro, I think it's like a micro flaky because it's almost shadowy. Yeah, see, that is a really beautiful white micro flaky. Look at that. Hey, don't touch that. You're gonna break it. And then next we have Jackpot is this gold one right here. And that is a gold. Look at that. All right, and then the last one is this red on the bottom right here, and it is called Ace High. And this is like a, let's say like a bronzy red. How pretty that is. It's so pretty. Look at it on my finger. All right, so this is the shadows that I got, and get up a little closer so you can really see them. So pretty. So those are my shadows that I got from Copacetic. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Really, really, really appreciate it. Please, if you would do me a favor, like this video down below, comment if you could, if you had a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day.